Boric materia medica. The next remedy is alfalfa, Medicago sativa, California clover, or lucerne. From its action on the sympathetic, alfalfa favorably influences nutrition, evidenced in toning up the appetite and digestion, resulting in greatly improved mental and physical vigor with gain in weight. Disorders characterized by malnutrition are mainly within its therapeutic range. For example, neurasthenia, splanchnic blues, nervousness, insomnia, nervous indigestion, etc. Acts as a fat producer, corrects tissue waste. Deficient lactation increases quality and quantity of milk in nursing mothers. Its pronounced urinary action suggests it clinically in diabetes insipidus and phosphaturia, and it is claimed to allay vesical irritability of prostatic hypertrophy. The rheumatic diathesis seems spatially amenable to its action. Mind. It induces mental exhilaration of buoyancy, that is, a general feeling of well being, clear and bright, so that all blues are dissipated. Dull, drowsy, stupid, gloomy, and irritable, worse during evening. Head dull, heavy feeling in occiput in and above the eyes, worse toward evening, pain in left side of the head, violent headache. Ears stuffed feeling in eustachian tubes at night, patulous in morning. Stomach increased thirst, appetite impaired but chiefly increased even to bulimia. He must eat frequently so that he cannot wait for regular meals, hungry in forenoon, much nibbling of food and craving for sweets. Abdomen flatulence with distension, shifting flatulent pain along colon several hours after meals, frequent loose yellow painful stools with burning of flatulence, chronic appendicitis. Urine, kidneys inactive, frequent urging to urinate, polyuria, increased elimination of urea, indican and phosphatase. Sleep, sleep better than usual, especially in early morning. It induces quite reposeful and refreshing sleep. Relationship, compare Avena sativa, Dipodium punctualis, Gelsemium hydrastis, Caliphos, phosphoric acid, zinc. Dose, the best results are elicited with material doses, drops of tincture several times daily. Continue its use until tonic effects ensue. Next remedy is Allium sativum, garlic. Acts directly on intestinal mucous membrane, increasing peristalsis. Colitis with pathological flora. Has vasodilatory properties. Arterial hypotension begins usually in 30 to 45 minutes after 20 to 40 drop doses of the tincture. Adapted to fleshy subjects with dyspepsia and catarrhal affections, high livers, patients who eat a great deal more, especially meat, than they drink, pain in hip, pain in psoas and iliac muscles, pulmonary tuberculosis. Cough and expectoration diminishes, temperature becomes normal, weight is gained, and sleep becomes regular, hemoptysis. Head heavy, pulsation in temples, catarrhal deafness. Mouth sweetish, saliva after meals and at night, sensation of a hair on tongue or throat. Stomach varicaceous, voracious appetite, burning irritations, least change in diet causes trouble. Constipation with constant dull pains in bowels, tongue pale, red papillae. Respiratory, constant rattling of mucus in bronchi. Cough in the morning after leaving bedroom with mucus expectoration which is tenacious and difficult to raise. Sensitive to cold air, dilated bronchi with fitted expectoration, darting pain in chest. Female, pain in swelling of breast, eruption in vagina and on breast and vulva during menses. Relationship, Compare capsicum arsenic, kali nitricum, complementary arsenic, antidote lycopodium. Dose 3rd to 6th potency. In tuberculosis, dose 4 to 6 grams of moderate state of depression daily in divided doses. Next remedy is alnus, red alder. Has some reputation as a remedy for skin affections, glandular enlargements, and indigestion from imperfect secretion of gastric juice. It stimulates nutrition and thus acts favorably upon strumous disorders, enlarged glands, etc., ulcerated mucous membranes of mouth and throat, fingers covered by crust caused by pustules, disagreeable odor, indigestion from imperfect secretion of gastric juice. Female, leukorrhea with erosions of cervix, bleeding easily, amenorrhea with burning pains from back to pubis. Skin, chronic herpes, enlarged submaxillary glands, eczema, prurigo, purpura hemorrhagica, poison oak, used locally. Dose, tincture to 3rd potency.